What's up, guys? Before I start this video, I just want to let you guys know I would love it if you guys liked the video. Definitely like it, give it a thumbs up. If you disliked it, give it a thumbs down. Like, all input counts. Like, every view that I get, I at least want to see a thumbs up or a thumbs down. Personally, the fact of the matter is that you watched it and I need to know your feedback. You can comment if you like. Definitely subscribe if you like. I'm not forcing anybody to do it, but if you want to see more content, definitely subscribe. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever you want. Alright, we're gonna get to the video. What's up, everybody? I'm back. Mike from Slow Speed TV. Today we have the first thing that's going on in the car. I got the car back from BMW. Obviously, everything was covered under warranty. Everything's working perfectly fine now. It's time to install this. This is a dash cam. It's a ddpai dash cam. It looks pretty good, honestly. I got it off Amazon. I think it's like, honestly, I think it's a Chinese dash cam, or like made in China or Taiwan or something like that. But it looks pretty good and pretty high quality. I'm gonna open up so you can just see what I'm talking about the quality. Like, that looks pretty A1. That looks like something you get from Best Buy. I paid about 60 bucks for it. So see that right here? So we're gonna go ahead and install this into the BMW 435. My friend pretty much talked me into getting this. I never had a dash cam, but I want to get it for more so of recording police interactions, one, and two, just catching, you know, clips of me, clips of somebody else. Maybe something happens, maybe somebody hits my car, scratches it. It has a lot of benefits. The reason why I want to record police interactions with it is because if any of you guys have gotten tickets or whatever, the more evidence you have, the better, because fighting these police ticket battles is just like, you lose. So hopefully that'll help me out. I'll probably just get more tickets, whatever. Alright, so we're gonna go right over here to the car. Alright, so pretty much the only thing I think I'm gonna need is alcohol and a wipe, and that's just to clean off the little section of the window where I'm gonna mount the 3M sticky into it. So if we open up the contents of the box, it's like a little instruction manual, I'm assuming. Here is your camera, and it rotates. So it would be like something like that. So where this would be if, I guess, you are driving, and when it's to you and the cop, you flip it back this way, whatever. It looks metal, but it's actually plastic, but we're gonna test it out. And I do not have a micro SD card, which I should have bought when I went to Best Buy, but I forgot. A snapshot button, I'm not exactly sure what it's for. It's just there, I guess, if you want to snap something happening. But if you're there to see something happening to your car, I don't know why I don't know, whatever. So we're gonna mount this first, and then we're gonna mount the dash cam. So this is the wiring for power. Obviously, we have a bunch of little different things in here. We have oh wow, a plastic trim tool for wiring the power kit. So this thing comes with, okay, wow, I didn't even check the contents of this box, honestly, prior to recording this. It comes with what'd you call it? It's a cigarette lighter or a power port, whatever you call it now. A 12-volt power port with two charging pieces on them. I'm assuming one hooks up to the dash cam and the other one hooks up to an accessory of your choice. You have some clips to route the wiring in it. This is a really good kit. Honestly, if you guys are looking for, and it's not just BMW specific, this is a kit for all vehicles. If you guys are looking for a kit, a dash cam, I don't know. As of now, I'm gonna say go with this one. I'll give you an update on it, see how it records and everything later on. So we're gonna run the wire. Now, BMW has a port underneath. It's a cigarette lighter port. Can't find it. Oh, right here. So we're gonna utilize that, and that runs, let me get a good shot underneath. That is underneath here. It goes into the cigarette ashtray or whatever you want to call it, and we're gonna route the wire from there. We're gonna route it up on the side, up here, and to the center. So give me that, possibly can. Move the seat back for comfort. All right, so cameraman copped out on me for a second, so I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. Well, actually, I'm gonna do two. I'm gonna just put it down like this. Hopefully you guys can get it. Here we go. I'm going to... see so you can see it. Alright, so basically I'm just using this trim tool to push this down and route the wire in. So you pull this flap out, you tuck that in, like I showed you before. Now we're just gonna push this in the flap, and this trim tool really did come in handy. Alright, so we got that part routed as best as I feel like doing right now. Just come under here for me, please. We're gonna go under here and tuck this wire underneath the airbag. Oh no, it looks like it has two airbags. What the heck? Maybe just one. In there. And we're gonna tuck the wire in. I know where we're gonna put it. In this lovely section of floor. That's good. That was a lot. All right, so let me recap what I did. So, started at the top. I used the trim tool, brought it across here, all the way down. You can see a tad bit right here. I'll just push that out later, the felt. Went from underneath the felt, grabbed the airbags, went this way, stored all the extra wire in this way, right in this pouch. Brought it back up, went behind the trim, came around, and voila, to the charger port. And I think I'm gonna connect my phone, well, another USB here. That's all done. I'm gonna take some alcohol, wipe off this section of the window that I want the 3M's tape to stick to. Just this kind of area. Make sure it's dry. Alright, you got it dry. Now that's the finished product. Oh, it's not that bad actually. Here we go. We got the installation of the... I can't even see the camera. Oh, we got the installation of the ddpai. So I hope you guys liked that one. That was a simple install video of the ddpai dash cam. I gave you the reasons why I got it, and my friend pretty much talked me into it. I like it, nice clean install, adds like a little bit to it, you know. My first modification and customization to my car. It already came with window tint, but I got a surprise for you. Give me 1 second, I'll be right back. A hint on what's gonna come next. This is a little teaser of what's coming next. Bam. I don't know if y'all know what's in this box. I know what's in this box, obviously I paid for it, but this is what's going on the car next. So tune in for that next video, because you know it's about to go down, and you know it has something to do with speed, because there's speed on the box. Little teaser, make sure you tune in. I'm doing videos pretty much every Wednesday, give or take, somewhere around like maybe noonish or a little later, but every Sunday at 7 p.m. you're gonna see a video up. So the mid videos are gonna be Wednesdays, and like that's gonna be shorter, you know, quick whatever videos, and then the bigger video, like the teasers on Wednesday, and the bigger videos, the longer videos, the more exciting videos are gonna be Sunday. But just watch them all, because I think they're all exciting. So I had to spoil that for y'all for a second. But nah, seriously though, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We out of here.